Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're looking at a vehicle that completely redefines luxury travel. The 2027 Bugatti HyperCamper Motorhome is not just a motorhome, it's a rolling masterpiece, designed for people who want the exclusivity of a hypercar, combined with the comfort of a private luxury mansion. Inspired by the legendary performance and craftsmanship of Bugatti, this futuristic RV pushes the boundaries of design, technology, and luxury further than almost anything we've ever seen on the road. From the very first glance, the exterior design instantly separates the hypercamper from every traditional motorhome on the market. The front fascia carries unmistakable Bugatti DNA, featuring the iconic horseshoe grille illuminated by sleek LED lighting elements. Ultra-thin adaptive headlights stretch across the front, giving the motorhome a futuristic and aggressive personality that feels more like a hypercar than a recreational vehicle. The body shape is incredibly aerodynamic for such a large vehicle. Every curve and surface has been sculpted to reduce drag and improve efficiency while maintaining a bold and elegant appearance. Smooth, flowing lines extend from the front to the rear, creating a sleek silhouette that looks fast even while standing still. Large panoramic smart glass windows wrap around the living area, providing breathtaking views while allowing passengers to control privacy with adjustable tint technology. The side profile is equally impressive. Massive alloy wheels with aerodynamic covers give the hypercamper a powerful stance, while hidden storage compartments maintain the clean and luxurious appearance. Integrated LED lighting runs along the lower body, creating a glowing effect at night that makes the motorhome look almost futuristic. A fully automated side terrace extends outward when parked, transforming part of the vehicle into an outdoor luxury lounge, complete with seating and ambient lighting. At the rear, the design becomes even more dramatic. A full-width LED light signature stretches across the back, combined with active aerodynamic panels that adjust depending on driving conditions. The roof includes solar panels seamlessly integrated into the design, helping power onboard systems during extended journeys. Even from the outside, it's clear that every detail has been engineered to deliver a next-level luxury experience. Step inside the 2027 Bugatti HyperCamper Motorhome, and the interior feels closer to a luxury penthouse suite than a traditional RV. The cabin is crafted using premium leather, polished aluminum, carbon fiber accents, and exotic materials rarely seen in motorhomes. The atmosphere is both modern and elegant, with ambient lighting flowing throughout the space to create a calm and relaxing environment. The main lounge area is designed for pure comfort. Large reclining seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions surround a central entertainment space featuring a massive retractable OLED display and an advanced surround sound system. The seating arrangement can be adjusted into multiple configurations, making it perfect for relaxing, socializing, or even business meetings while traveling. One of the most impressive features is the panoramic glass ceiling that stretches across the lounge. During the day, it fills the cabin with natural light, while at night it transforms into a starlit viewing experience. Smart shading technology allows passengers to control transparency instantly, creating the perfect atmosphere at any time. The kitchen area combines futuristic technology with luxury craftsmanship. Hidden behind sleek panels are premium appliances, including an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, a built-in espresso machine, and advanced storage systems. The countertops are made from ultra-durable stone materials, giving the space a clean and sophisticated look while remaining highly functional. Toward the rear of the motorhome, the master bedroom offers an experience similar to a luxury hotel suite. A floating king-size bed sits in the center of the room, surrounded by soft ambient lighting and elegant cabinetry. Large smart glass windows provide incredible views during the day and complete privacy at night. The room also includes integrated climate controls and personalized comfort settings for maximum relaxation. The bathroom feels more like a private spa than part of a motorhome. It features a spacious rain shower, premium fixtures, heated floors, and a minimalist vanity with illuminated mirrors. Advanced water recycling systems help maximize efficiency during long-distance travel while maintaining a luxurious experience. Performance is where the Bugatti HyperCamper truly separates itself from conventional luxury RVs. Instead of relying on traditional heavy-duty engines, this concept is expected to use an advanced hybrid electric powertrain inspired by Bugatti's hypercar engineering. The system delivers enormous power and instant torque, making acceleration surprisingly smooth and effortless despite the size of the vehicle. The adaptive air suspension system continuously adjusts to road conditions, ensuring an incredibly smooth ride. Whether traveling on highways or mountain roads, passengers experience exceptional stability and comfort. Active aerodynamic systems also improve efficiency and handling, something rarely seen in the motorhome segment. Driver assistance technology is highly advanced. The HyperCamper includes semi-autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, night vision systems, and a 360-degree camera setup. These features make long-distance driving easier and safer while reinforcing the futuristic feel of the vehicle. Inside the cockpit, a fully digital interface displays navigation, performance data, energy usage, and entertainment controls in a sleek and intuitive layout. Voice-controlled systems allow passengers to manage lighting, climate, and multimedia functions effortlessly. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 Bugatti HyperCamper Motorhome is firmly positioned in the ultra-exclusive category. Industry estimates suggest a starting price around $4 million, while highly customized versions with bespoke materials and personalized luxury options could exceed $7 million. Each unit would likely be built to order, making every HyperCamper unique to its owner. The 2027 Bugatti HyperCamper Motorhome represents the ultimate expression of limitless luxury travel. It combines hypercar-inspired design, advanced technology, breathtaking performance, and unmatched comfort into a single vehicle that feels years ahead of anything currently on the road. For those who demand the very best in every aspect of life, this extraordinary motorhome proves that luxury truly has no limits. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.